Adventure of Lily and the Talking Snowman. Once upon a time, in the cozy town of Evergreen, a spirited young girl named Lily eagerly awaited Christmas. She loved everything about the season: the twinkling lights, the sweet aroma of gingerbread, and the joyful carols filling the air. But most of all, Lily cherished building snowmen in her backyard. One snowy afternoon, as delicate snowflakes danced from the sky, Lily decided to create her best snowman yet. She carefully rolled 3 large snowballs, placing them atop one another. For the finishing touches, she added a carrot for the nose, shiny black stones for the eyes, and wrapped a snug scarf around its neck. Stepping back to admire her work, Lily sighed, "I wish you could come to life and be my friend." To her astonishment, the snowman's eyes twinkled and it wiggled its carrot nose. "Hello, Lily," it greeted warmly. Lily gasped in delight. "You can talk." "Indeed I can," replied the snowman. "I'm Frost, the magical snowman. Your heartfelt wish brought me to life." Overjoyed, Lily and Frost spent the day playing in the snow, sharing stories and laughing together. As evening approached, Frost's expression grew serious. "Lily, I need your help. The Christmas star atop the town's tallest tree has lost its sparkle. Without its light, Santa might not find our town to deliver presents." Determined to save Christmas, Lily agreed to help. Frost led her to the enchanted forest, where the wise old owl, Oliver, resided. Oliver was known for his vast knowledge and kind heart. "Oliver," Lily called out, "we need to restore the Christmas star's sparkle. Can you guide us?" Oliver hooted softly. "To rekindle the star's light, you must find the 3 magical ornaments hidden throughout the forest: the golden bell, the silver ribbon, and the crystal ornament. Each holds a part of the star's magic." With newfound purpose, Lily and Frost ventured deeper into the forest. They first encountered a gentle reindeer named Ruby, who had the golden bell tangled in her antlers. "Could we have the golden bell to restore the Christmas star?" Lily asked politely. Ruby nodded. "Of course, take it with my blessing." Next, they found the silver ribbon adorning a majestic pine tree. As Lily reached for it, the tree's branches parted, allowing her to retrieve the ribbon with ease. Finally, they approached a shimmering ice cave, where the crystal ornament lay guarded by a friendly polar bear named Paws. "May we have the crystal ornament to save Christmas?" Lily inquired. Paws smiled warmly. "Certainly, here you go." With all 3 ornaments in hand, Lily and Frost hurried back to the town square. As they placed each ornament on the Christmas star, it began to glow brighter and brighter until it shone brilliantly, illuminating the entire town. The townspeople gathered, marveling at the restored star. Just then, the sound of jingling bells filled the air, and Santa's sleigh appeared in the sky, guided by the radiant star. Santa landed gracefully and approached Lily. "Thank you, dear child, for restoring the Christmas star. Your kindness and bravery have saved Christmas for Evergreen." Lily beamed with pride. "I couldn't have done it without my friend Frost." Santa chuckled. "Friendship and teamwork make the season truly magical." As a reward, Santa granted Frost the ability to remain with Lily throughout the winter. The 2 friends spent countless days sharing adventures and spreading joy. And so the town of Evergreen celebrated a Christmas filled with light, love, and the enduring magic of friendship. Moral of the story: true magic lies in friendship, kindness, and the courage to help others.